So the final step of cleaning and organizing all the stuff in my closet is to finally go through all the jackets and sweaters. So the other day we went to Walmart and we got two bins, one to organize all of the toys Ivy no longer plays with, and another one for me to organize and clean up this jacket pile. So I think my first task is I'm going to go through everything and see what I would actually wear over what I'm not going to wear, and then put away the stuff that I know I'm actually going to wear. Where I'm going to put this bin, I have no clue. I'm going to see if I can't fit it in the closet. If not, the only other place I could put it would probably be downstairs in the basement. So once I get there, I will figure that out. But let's go ahead and just go through all this and see again what I'm actually going to wear over what I won't actually wear, and then move to the next step of putting it in the bin. So this is where I'm at. These ones I know I'm probably not going to wear again, so I'm just going to get rid of them. That jacket is actually my winter jacket from this year that I bought. I need to wash it because it has like cat fur all over it. Then I pretty much put all the jackets and sweaters away that I think I'm going to wear. What I think I'm going to do is the same process I do with the closet. Is I'm going to put the hangers one way, and if I don't end up wearing them, then I'm just going to get rid of them. But for now, they're all in there. And I did keep a select few out just in case. Like, I know that I've grabbed a couple of these over the last like few weeks to wear. And this big one I got from Christmas from my husband's parents. And I love to wear that when Ken has the air on and it's like super cold inside. So that's something I would go and I would grab for. So that's pretty much where I'm at. So now I'm going to see if I can't fit this in the closet, and if not, it's just going to have to go in the basement for now. So I'm going to figure that out and let you guys know how that is. So Ivy is just waking up, but real quick I want to show you guys that I was able to fit the bin at the bottom. My other bin is on top. This is my pumping stuff. I have the bag that I put all the extra hangers in the closet just in case we need it. We have a crap load of hangers downstairs, so I'm like, let's just keep them up here just in case. I found two things of mail that we can shred. This is all garbage. This bag actually has all the stuff that I'm going to take to Goodwill. So that's all the sweaters from beforehand, and then the jackets and coats that I'm not going to be wearing. And then the sweaters I actually decided to keep are right here. I'm going to put them downstairs in the closet so then they are accessible for when I need them. Usually like right when we're about to go out, I need a jacket. But this area is officially clean. Ken is home from work for lunch, but this is officially clean. It looks nice and organized. And I'm glad that bin fit in there and I don't have to figure out a place for it. So I'm glad that I was able to get this done today. And that's the last of the stuff for the bedroom that needed to be organized. And I am definitely happy about it.